channel. So I know I literally just uploaded me doing like that hair gloss on my hair, and I do really like my hair brown, and I have decided that I'm just gonna bleach my hair today because I do miss my blonde, and even looking in the mirror I'm like, I'm gonna miss my brown. I probably shouldn't do this today, but if I don't like my hair blonde and if I decide that I do like the brown hair better, then I will just dye my hair back brown. It's really not that big of a deal. I want to try to do like a balayage on my own head, which I know is going to be really hard, but I think I can do it. Again, if it doesn't turn out good, I'll just dye my hair back brown. It's not the end of the world. And I keep looking over here because my mirror's right here. I went to Sally's today. Also, literally, my mom doesn't know I'm doing this. I told her I kind of wanted to go blonde again. I got 30 volume developer because usually I use 20, but I think on this shade of my hair I should probably use 30, and I'll use 20 volume then for my toner. And I got 4 packets of bleach, which isn't going to be enough, I know, but I have a whole tub. I just don't know how much I had left, so I bought extra bleach just in case. And then I do have an icy white toner here, but I got this T28 toner that I think I'm gonna maybe mix with my icy white toner. I don't really know yet. Just this toner is more of a natural, I think it's actually called it's literally called natural blonde rather than like a white. So I'm thinking this will be better, and then maybe later on I'll use my other toner. I don't know. I'm talking so fast, you guys probably are so confused like what I'm even doing. Let me show you guys though, like a picture that I think is just so pretty. Like I really, really, really like that. So I'm gonna go for something like that. I know I'm literally doing this myself and it's gonna turn out probably awful, but I'm just gonna try. So I guess we should just get started so I don't end up not doing this, because I think I should just do it and get it over with, you know? I don't know how the back of my head's gonna go, but oh my gosh, we did have 30 volume developer. And I just bought a big thing and I didn't even need to. I'm nervous. I'm not even scared. Okay, I know I look literally so weird because the top of my head is like so flat and I just brushed my hair, but whatever. I'm not even scared that my hair's gonna fall out, just because it feels, guys, like so healthy right now, even though you might not believe me because I bleached my hair so much in the past, but it really does feel so healthy that I've like given it a break, and I have pretty thick hair, I'd say. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna stop trying to like make this idea sound better because it's not gonna sound good. I'm gonna section my hair from my front pieces. This will be one section. This will be another section that I only have one hair tie. Literally, what the heck? Okay, I found a little clear plastic hair tie. So this will be another section. And then I'm gonna split the back into 2 sections to make it a little easier on myself. So I'm gonna start with this back section and bleach all of that first. And then this section, like the 2 back sections, I'm going to work on first and not show you guys. And then I'm going to show you guys me trying to do the front. But obviously we got to mix the bleach first. So also, I'm literally going to cry if you guys say that the brown hair looked better than what I'm about to do. Okay, so I am going to try to apply this on the back of my head. I might have to have my sister come and help me, but it's going to be too hard to try to record that, so I'm going to be back after the back of my head is done and when I am working on my front of my head. Okay guys, so my sister just did the back of my head, which was really scary because she's never bleached anyone's hair. But now I'm mixing more bleach because we already ran out of bleach, so I can do my front pieces of hair. Also, we don't have gloves, which is not good, so I'm just having to use my hands. Alright, let's try this out. So what we've been doing, what we did on the back, is kind of doing the 2 sides and then bringing up the middle a little and just saturating the entire bottom. Like, it's really, just really easy stuff. I really want to bring it really close to my face though in the front, just like that. And I'm just going to do this piece by piece. Okay, so just doing the same thing that we've been doing, bringing it up on the sides and in the middle. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. I don't think that looks too bad. Okay. Guys, this is actually like so fast. This really hasn't taken us long at all. And this is only my third section on the side and I'm almost done. Which I feel like it's honestly probably kind of a bad thing, but whatever. I'm just hoping for the best right now. Like, it definitely looks easier when someone else is doing it than trying to do it on yourself. But I'm basically just trying to do the same technique for every single piece. So it's not really, I don't know what I can even say right now other than like I'm scared and I'm freaking out, as everyone already knows. But I feel like that looks like a good balayage. I mean, this isn't even the part I should really be nervous for, because whatever I do, I do. I'm more nervous for just like after I shower and looking at it. Oh, I thought that was my last piece, but I still have one more piece over here. Oh, I got on my face. No. Okay, so that is now one whole side done. It looks like it could look good, so hopefully it does. This is so hard to do. I can't even freaking get this to stay up. Literally, I would not recommend this for anyone to do on yourself because it's the hardest thing to see what you're doing, especially even from like the side. And when I used to dye, like when I had blonde hair and I would dye my roots by myself, like that is easy. This is like a whole new language that I don't know how to speak. Like you guys can see in this camera angle better than I can see, so that's good. It probably looks absolutely atrocious. But hey, at least you guys can laugh at me. It's really just frustrating me. Like I'm actually getting quite angry right now. This side looks way worse than the other side. I don't know why like the other side was way easier. I'm literally like doing it with my finger. Like someone literally take bleach away from me. Make it illegal for me to buy. But I don't know why the other side looks so much better. Probably because I wasn't rushing like this. Yeah, I really feel like if I could step out of my body right now and do this on myself, it would look so good. But sadly, that's impossible. And I can't step out of my body and do this on myself. Alright, that piece looks fine. That piece doesn't look too bad. I was scared my hair like wasn't gonna lift at all, but it's definitely lifting, so that's a good thing. Okay guys, so now it's done. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait like 40 minutes. No, not 40 minutes. I'll probably wait 25 minutes or 20 minutes. Whatever this looks light enough, and then I'm gonna shower and come back so we can tone it. Okay, so yeah, I'll be back. This is what it looks like so far. I'm scared. Okay guys, I am back right after my shower, and as you can see, it is such a pretty blonde without me even toning it. I'm like, this is so weird. I don't understand, because usually it should be like really orange, and it's like actually a pretty blonde color right now. But I am still gonna tone it, and it's not too light. Me and my sister were so scared that it was gonna be too light and it wouldn't blend in naturally. But I want to mix together my toner now and leave it in my hair for a bit. Guys, I'm so excited about my hair. Like, I actually think I'm really going to love this. Alright, so I'm just putting this into my hands. I never do toner carefully. I really don't believe in doing toner carefully. I'm just putting it over my whole head. And for those wondering, my hair really doesn't feel that bad, like at all. Alright, so now that the toner is all in my hair, I'm going to let this sit for, I said 30 minutes. So I'm going to wash this out at 6:30 and come back and show you guys when it's wet after the toner. And then we'll blow dry it. And I'll probably do my makeup so I don't look like really ugly. And then we'll see the final result. I'm actually so excited right now. Okay, so I just rinsed the toner out of my hair. I actually left it in 15 minutes because I don't know, my hair, I don't know why it didn't turn orange like at all. It turned like such a pretty color that I was like, I really feel like I could just wash this out. So I went ahead and just washed it out. This is what it's looking like. It literally looks like so good just looking in the mirror and like looking at it that I don't know how. But I want to definitely go blow dry it, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like, and I'll probably do my makeup. I'll be back to show you guys the final results of my DIY balayage. Guys, it looks so good. Look at this. Look at that. Hold on, I'm gonna show you in the mirror. This is what we're looking like. It's still a little wet, but I did blow dry a lot of it. I literally love it. I want to come back tomorrow when it's light outside because it's dark, so I'm just using artificial lighting. So I want to see it in the sunlight. Maybe I'll like curl my hair or something. So far, I really like it. So I'll come back and show you guys what it really looks like. Hey guys, and it's the next morning. So this is my hair. I literally think it turned out so good. Let me open these up. The lighting isn't that good because it's literally raining outside, so you still can't really see it, I feel like, that well, but you guys kind of get the gist. I really like though how I have all of my natural root, so I can seriously just grow out my hair and not have to worry about it, because when I was like really icy platinum blonde, it wasn't a look my roots were growing in. So I know this is like a still really like dirty blonde, I'd say. I'm so happy about it because I have like a bunch of different shades. It looks like natural highlights. Hopefully you guys don't hate it. Hopefully you guys don't hate me for doing this, but I feel like it looks really natural on me because this is actually similar to my natural root color, as you can see. And I'm thinking of toning it again just because I left the toner in only 15 minutes. So some of the more brassy tones I could get out and pull out a more icy blonde. So I'll probably tone it again, and I probably won't film that, but hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what else you want to see from me. Let me know if you like the new hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!